Hello students, welcome to Shri Tuition Classes. Today we are going to understand about combination and decomposition reaction. First of all, let us know that what do you mean by combination reaction? So, reaction in which the single product is formed from two or more reactant is known as the combination reaction. Now to understand, let us take an example. We have to take calcium oxide in a beaker. Add water slowly to the calcium oxide. Calcium hydroxide will be formed along with an heat energy. If we touch the beaker, you will feel warmness. So, the reaction in which heat energy is also produced is known as exothermic reaction. Here, calcium oxide plus water will give the calcium hydroxide. This is also known as the slaked lime. Let us take a few more examples. That is, burning of coal. Carbon plus oxygen will give carbon dioxide. Two different molecules combine to form the single molecule. Similarly, formation of water is again example of combination reaction. That is hydrogen plus oxygen. That gives water. Reaction in which heat energy is evolved is known as exothermic reaction. For example, burning of the natural gas. Burning of natural gas is also an example of the exothermic reaction. Here CH4, that is methane plus oxygen, will give carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Means heat is in form of the energy. Okay, so whenever the energy is released as a byproduct, and such a reaction is known as exothermic reaction. Also student, you know that respiration is also considered as an exothermic reaction because in our body carbohydrate is broken down into glucose and the glucose combines with oxygen which we inhale to produce energy. Hence, respiration is considered as an exothermic reaction. Also, the decomposition of the vegetable matter into compost is also an example of exothermic reaction. So, now let us understand about the decomposition reaction. In decomposition reaction, when two or more substances are produced from the single compound is called a decomposition reaction. Yes, decomposition reaction is opposite to that of the combination reaction. To understand this, let us take an example. First of all, what we have to do, we have to take the 2 gram of the ferrous sulfate crystal in a boiling tube and heat it with an spirit lamp. Now what you will observe that the green color of the ferrous sulfate crystal will disappear and after some time the brown color will be formed. So equation for this reaction is that is FeSO4 when it is heated that will give Fe2O3 plus sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Now why the green color of the ferrous sulfate disappear? Because ferrous sulfate is written as FeSO4 but 7H2O. Now in this ferrous sulfate crystal, what this 7H2O represent? It represent that one molecule of ferrous sulfate crystal, one molecule of ferrous sulfate contains 7 molecule of water. And if we heat this crystal, the water molecule will evaporate and the green color of the ferrous sulfate crystal will disappear. And further if we heat, then ferrous sulfate will burn and the brown color of the ferrous sulfate, ferric oxide will be obtained along with sulfur dioxide and sulfur dioxide. Let us take few more examples of the decomposition reaction. The first one is heating of the lead nitrate in a test tube. You will observe that emission of the brown fumes. Lead nitrate when it is heated that will give lead oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. It's an example of decomposition reaction. Also interesting example of decomposition reaction is the electrolysis of the water. That is also an example of the decomposition reaction. Another activity we can take, that we have to put an silver chloride in a china dish and keep this china dish in a sunlight for the few minutes. After some time, you will observe that white color of the silver chloride will disappear and gray color will appear. The reaction for this is mentioned here, 2AgCl, that will give the 2Ag plus Cl2. This is also an example of the decomposition reaction. Same type of reaction can be taken also as with an silver bromide, that will give silver plus bromine. Okay, such type of reactions are also used in the black and white photography. So thank you student for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share my video. Any doubt can contact me. Thank you. Thank you.